If you've ever wanted to create a custom installer for your remote desktop manager application, that being an installer that once the application's installed has pre-configured settings and even data sources added to it in advance, here's how you can configure that. Firstly, go to File, and then once you're in Devolutions account, you'll need to sign into your Devolutions account. In this case, I'm already signed in with my user, so once that's done, we can go to Custom Installer Manager. Here, we'll be able to choose the version which we want to use for the custom installer. Here we can show all versions if necessary, which allows us to go all the way back to, in this case, 2023.2. But for the purposes of our lesson, we'll just be using the latest one, which is right now 2024.3.20. So once this is done, we can encrypt the configuration with a password. We can create a configuration just for this package, or if you already have an RDI file available, then we can use that in advance. For now, we'll just go here and create a new configuration. We can click Create, and then here we'll be able to choose the data sources we'd like to add. So once that's done, we can select here our proxy settings, saved installation paths. We can have, by installation paths here, we mean specifically the paths for the applications, the file path names within your file explorer in this case. We have our saved templates. So if we want to add local templates, we can do that here. Our Devolutions account credentials. You'll notice that there's a warning here telling you not to do that, especially if you plan on giving this custom installer to other users, because otherwise they'll have complete access to your account, which in this case we don't want. The same could be said for include data source credentials. We might not necessarily want that to be something other people have access to. So in this case, we won't check these two. And then we can also clear the application lock information if necessary. In this case, I would like to add our Devolutions server, but I don't want to add the Devolutions Hub business. Click on Export. And here we can create our MSI. So in this case, I can go to my desktop, click Save. Now here we'll be downloading the installer. And once it's done, we'll be able to access it very easily. In this case, it's my desktop. So simply go to, I forgot to mention this, but if you have added an encryption, so if you wish to add one, then you'll be prompted with this. In this case, we can add our password very easily. Click OK. And then this will encrypt installer package completely. So you won't be able to access the installer unless you decrypt the thing. So here we have my setup.